Hi, it's me, Paula. I thought I'd show you some more jewelry cleaning techniques. I have a diamond band here, and I have our signature diamond dazzle stick. We're happy to include one with every ring purchase if you ask. So you just turn the little knob until you see some cleaner here, and then you use the brush. Now this is only to be used on gold, platinum, white gold, and precious stones. No organics. So only gemstones. No coral, no ivory, no turquoise, no malachite. Just faceted or cabochon gemstones. So now I'm going to put a little bit of water in my favorite IKEA dish that I keep in my sink for cleaning. I do this because I don't want the piece to hit the sink. So now I'm going to go back over it with some more of the detergent jewelry cleaner from our Diamond Dazzle stick and get the back, the azuring there. Okay, I'm going to rinse it a little bit more. Then I'm going to take my favorite tool for jewelry cleaning. I keep a wet, a dry, and different textures for different purposes, which you'll learn about through this cleaning series. This one is for diamonds, and it's a wet brush that I keep in the sink. So as you can see, I've got the ring just like right on the toothbrush. And what I do is kind of just roll it around. Now what we're getting is all the icky bits in the back. If it's super gross and you've been wearing it for a long time and it's full of lotion and, you know, hand cleaner these days and soap, then you'll want to soak it before you do this. But this one was just in need of a light cleaning. So this is the way I get the diamonds to sparkle and just get like all of the detritus off. So you can see it's much more sparkly now than it was before. And I'll just rinse it one more time. And then I will clean it in its final clean with some antibacterial hand soap for these pandemic days of ours. And rinse it under a stream of cold water. And there we have it. It's ready to be dried, photographed, and put on the website. I'll be answering all kinds of cleaning questions, so if you have a specific one, just send me an email at paula@gemsetlove.com and I will show you how to clean it. Thanks.